slices on a plate. Sea breeze makes the curtains skate. You hum softly, eyes half closed, and time begins to decompose. Your hand taps a sugar jar, I strum lightly on guitar. The day melts like citrus glaze, summer slow in golden haze. Tide and tangerine we float, jazz and breeze inside the coat of this moment, full and round. No loud thoughts, no urgent sound, just the sea and your soft grin. Let the